Now, your local weather authority with Jessica Wheeler.
Happy Monday and welcome back. This is South 3rd in Terre Haute on the Graber Post Buildings camera. Not a bad morning. Taking a look at our Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar, we do have some scattered activity off to our southwest at this time. Most of us in the valley at this time, we are mostly dry. Now, for those of you getting ready for school this morning, those temps, we are in the upper 60s to lower 70s at this time. 69 in Terre Haute. Could run into a few scattered showers and storms, but again, mainly for our southwestern areas, as most of us quite dry throughout the early hours. We do have that activity, though, moving in later this afternoon. The current temp right now in Terre Haute, 73 degrees. Winds are quite calm at about 3 miles per hour, picking up, of course, later this afternoon with more scattered activity as it does move on through. The sunrise, 6:59 a.m., sunset, 8:49 p.m. Current temps, the upper 60s to lower 70s at this time. 68 in Crawfordsville, 71 in Champaign, also 71 in Bloomington. Our highs for today are going to be in the mid-80s, and later this afternoon, it is going to be quite humid in the valley. On our futurecast, well, a preview of what is going on in the valley. Again, scattered activity, mainly off to our southwest, although you can see a little bit more further up north as well. This is throughout today, as it is quite scattered across the valley. So you will want that umbrella handy if you are out and about, because you are likely to run into a shower of some sort. And again, with those storms, we do have the possibility of a few being severe, but that severe threat more likely later this afternoon and this evening as these fronts do move on into the valley. But it will be scattered for today, tonight, also early tomorrow morning, and then a dry pattern. But speaking of that rain, this is an idea of how much we are going to receive over the next 48 hours. And again, not all of us are impacted by this. Most of the activity is further down south. As you can see, Effingham, even Olney, over 2 inches of precipitation estimated at this time. The current temp, well, for our highs today, we are in the mid-80s. Tonight, those lows, we are going to be in the 70s. And then for tomorrow, highs in the mid-80s at 84 degrees. This is an idea of what to expect throughout the week. Again, scattered for today, early tomorrow morning, and then another dry pattern this week in the lower to mid-80s. Plenty of sunshine, but a hot weekend ahead. Dana, back to you.
Yeah,